So what? The driver can't see the inflation pressures. So why should you do a relearn procedure on the vehicle after you've rotated the tires? We're going to find out why next.
This video is sponsored by Bartech USA, TPMS professionals. Visit bartechusa.com for more information.
This comes from a recent forum post online where a technician was asking, well, even if the customer cannot see where the tires are and the individual inflation pressures, why is he taking the time to do a TPMS relearn? He uncovered what a TPMS relearn really does. It's not really relearning the positions of the different tires. It's actually relearning that inflation pressure that you should have set when you've topped off all the tires to the correct pressures that are on the placard of the vehicle. So you're not really relearning positions, you're relearning inflation pressures. So this is why you need to do a TPMS relearn on vehicles that do not show the individual tire inflation pressures. I'm Markel. Thank you very much.